Welcome student. This is Rahul Singh Moore, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department in MLB Textile and Engineering College. In today's video, we will study about pitot tube, which is a part of variable area meters. In previous video, we have studied hot wire anemometer, which was also part of variable area meters. And in today's topic, we will see pitot tube, its working, its advantage, disadvantage, and etc. A pitot tube is a pressure measurement instrument used to measure fluid flow velocity. The pitot tube was invented by French engineer Henri Pitot in the early 18th century and was modified to its modern form in the mid 19th century by French scientist Henri Darcy. It is widely used to determine the airspeed of an aircraft, water speed of a boat, and to measure liquid, air, and gas velocities in industrial applications. The pitot tube is used to measure the local velocity at a given point in the flow stream and not the average velocity in the pipe. Working of pitot tube. The basic pitot tube consists of a tube pointing toward the pointing directly into the fluid flow. As in the image we can see, the pitot tube is directly inserted inside the pipe in which fluid is flowing. As this tube contains fluid, the pressure can be measured. The moving fluid is brought to rest. We know that when something which is in moving condition come to rest, it is known as stagnation, and the point where the moving object come to the rest is known as stagnation point, and the property at the stagnation point known as stagnation properties. So the pressure at the stagnation point is known as stagnation pressure, and this is also known as total pressure, which is measured by the pitot tube working principle. In pitot tube, we measure the pressure difference between the flowing fluid, and by using a relationship we can determine the fluid velocity. In this relationship we put delta P, means change in the pressure, and the density of the fluid whose velocity is to be measured. All these put in the formula and we can calculate the velocity of the fluid. In image we can see, as the velocity of the fluid increases, the pressure difference also increases. Here we can see, when the velocity is 0.886 meter per second, the change in pressure is 0.1 meter. It is here the pressure is given in the metric height. Similarly, when velocity increases from 0.886 to 4.32, the pressure head also increases from 0.1 meter to 1.9 meter. So putting these value in the previous equation, we can calculate the velocity of the flowing fluid. Advantages of the pitot tube. As we saw in the image, there is no moving part in the pitot tube, so very low maintenance of pitot tube is there. Also it is very it is simple, so it is inexpensive to buy, means the cost of the pitot tube is very less. Also it present very less resistance to the flow, because we are inserting a very small diameter pipe inside the fluid stream, so the pipe diameter provide very less resistance to the flow. Also we can use same pitot tube in different diameter pipes. Also there are some disadvantage of the pitot tube. Placement of the pitot tube inside the pipe work is critical when there is a very precise work is there. in the industries, so we need extra care to put the pitot tube inside the pipe. The low pressure drop measured by the unit increases uncertainty, especially on steam. When the pressure drop increases, so it shows error in reading. Also sensitive to changes in turbulence and needs careful installation and maintenance. When there is turbulence in the fluid, so there may be chance that the reading may come with error. So we need to care all these parameters during the use of pitot tube. Thank you.